Welcome back. Today is day 5 of our review of solving equations. Today we will be solving equations involving the distributive property. If you would like to follow along, a handout is provided in the description below. Thank you and enjoy. Oh yeah, it's that time again. We have some math problems here and we need you to do them now. Pause the video, complete the problems, and return to the video when you're done. Problem here, there's a couple ways of doing it, but mostly I would probably just use the distributive property. Most of the time, I see a number outside the parentheses, I would just use the distributive property. So I would just multiply 6 times y and then 6 times 1. So let's see what we get here. So we're going to get 6y, and then we're going to get negative 6, then we're going to add 8, and then equals 32. Okay, so that's not too bad. But then what you should be looking for is like terms. So I see some like terms. So I see a like term here and I see a like term here. So then I'm just going to combine those two. I'm going to simplify those. So that'll be 6y plus 2 is equal to 32. Okay? After that, guess what? Turned into a two-step equation. So now we are good. So we're just going to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. So that's good there. This will give us 6y is equal to 30. And then I'm just going to divide both sides of my equation by 2. So divide by 2, so divide by 2, divide by 6. And my answer is y is equal to 5. Game over. Not too bad. Really the only difference is a little bit of combining and distributing. So that first one, that first problem right there in the first step, just distribute and then simplify. Example 2, same thing. I see some parentheses there and a number outside those parentheses right in front. So I'm just going to distribute. I'm going to multiply this negative 2 by both of those numbers, by both of those values. So negative 2 times p is just negative 2p. Negative 2 times negative 5 is just positive 10. And then I bring down my 7p is equal to negative 5. Now we are going to combine like terms now. So now I have some like terms, and look at my like term is going to be this negative 2p and this 7p. So those two are going to combine. So we're going to simplify that. That's just 5p. Alright, so we have 5p for that. Bring down the 10. I'm going to use that equal sign negative 5, and then it turns into a two-step equation. So look at, just by distributing, then simplifying, now you're back to a two-step equation, and this should be quick and easy for us. So negative 10, and you'll get 5p is equal to negative 15, and divide by 5, and there you go. Game over. So p is equal to negative 3. Not too bad. Pretty quick. And done.